Welcome everyone to Race Cars Universe and to the very first car for sale feature on this channel. Today we're here in Auckland, New Zealand, and I have the privilege of presenting you this immaculate 2001 Nissan Skyline GTR R34 V-Spec II finished in QM White. This is one of a kind opportunity to own a genuine factory BN R34 with low mileage and a phenomenal look as only a late model GTR can deliver. First released in 1999, the R34 GTR V-Spec II was designed to be the ultimate street legal race car. Being painted in QM1 White means that only 357 V-Spec II were ever made, making it even more sought after by collectors and Nissan enthusiasts. More specifically, the V-Spec II featured a number of improvements from the standard R34 models, such as Brembo 4-pot calipers and ventilated discs, carbon fibre bonnet, and an active rear differential that improves the car's handling and stability. The well-documented history of this car starts in Japan when purchased brand new and kept stashed away in a private collection. This GTR was then imported in New Zealand by private sale and stored in another private collection while being driven rarely. As you can see, the documentation that comes with this vehicle is quite comprehensive. Having all the paperwork done and stamped by the Nismo Omori factory in Yokohama, together with the Japanese certificate of ownership and many other receipts. Also notice the dual factory key fobs and valet key, making it a true collector's item of interest. It is now in the hands of the new owner, who keeps it religiously clean and tidy while bringing in some tasty modifications that do not compromise the factory integrity of the vehicle. Heart of the beast is a legendary RB26DE twin-turbo, all completely stock, an open engine mated to a Getrag 6-speed gearbox and the famous Atesa ETS Pro 4-wheel drive system. Notice how all the factory engine-based stickers are still there and not even faded away, real proof of great care that this vehicle has received throughout its life. The modifications made to this car are the Nismo S-Tune front bumper, Z-Tune side skirts and rear pods, custom LED taillights, Cusco coilover suspensions, Kakimoto catback exhaust, Blitz air intake kit, and a set of genuine Nismo LM GT4s wrapped in 285/3018's Michelin Sport Cup 2 tires. The interiors are iconic too, being completely factory with the best seat design among any other GTR models. Ergonomic steering wheel, Nismo dash cluster with 320 km/h top speed, factory Nissan LCD display with onboard telemetry and monitoring system. Tastefully modified and meticulously maintained, this 2001 R34 GTR is surely going to turn heads and definitely put a smile on your face when driving it around. But let's do a road review now, shall we?
Sounds so good. Wow. I still remember when my R32 GTR, all the bubbles I had in here. It's just so good to see a nice, flat, appealing dash like this one. 34s are just better.
there you have it guys, the complete feature of this 2001 Nissan GTR R34 V-Spec II for sale. This car is located in Auckland, New Zealand and priced accordingly, given its rarity and stunning condition. We're also able to offer worldwide shipping for a complete, seamless solution. For any genuine inquiries, please have a look at the description below for all the contact information. Own a piece of Nissan heritage today with this outstanding and rare opportunity that doesn't come up often. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and consider subscribing if you haven't already. This is Andy from Race Cars Universe. I'll see you in the next videos guys. Bye bye.